Hey, what's up guys, Lashwadan from TechTamizha and I'm going to talk about the fidget spinner, which is the rage all over the world. So what is fidget spinner? So in early 90s, Catherine Hettinger, a lady, invented this fidget spinner for her daughter, and she did it as a small scale industry selling some odd pieces. And she patented it, but let the patent go off in 2005 because she could not renew the patent. Then many other toy companies started exploring this toy, and in 2016, late 16, it became hugely popular, and 2017 it's a rage all over the world, and Forbes declared this as the best office toy for 2017 because it's supposed to be it's supposed to be a stress buster. I'm not sure about it. I don't feel tension at all at work, and when I have work like this, why should I feel tension, right? But this is supposed to be a stress buster, and it is also banned across in many schools in US and UK because they find it to be too distracting for their students. This fidget spinner comes in various designs, but basically it has 3 prongs, and there is also some with 2 prongs. And it has a ball bearing in the middle, so that's how these prongs rotate around it, and the quality of the fidget spinner depends on that ball bearing. It's made in metal as well as ceramic, and the better quality gives you a better spin and a long spin as well as a nice sound that comes from it. The fidget spinner is made in brass, stainless steel, and now we also get in plastics, which is the cheaper ones here. And the price range from $1, $5, $10 and things, and in India you get it from eBay from 130, 120 rupees, and that goes up to 500, 600 and even 700 in Amazon and other websites. So just getting popularity in India, and soon I will feel a lot of people using that here too, like in the rest of the world. So that's about the fidget spinner, and there are a lot of tricks people started using this. I'm just learning it, and now I can say that I can pass it from one hand to another. I just bought it yesterday, and people do a lot of cool stuff with this fidget spinner, and supposed to be therapeutic. I don't know, as I mentioned, you just let us know in case you have started using this fidget spinner. And that's about the fidget spinner, and just exploring the various tricks I can do with it, and I'll keep updated in the next video if I do learn some better tricks. So do share your thoughts on this fidget spinner, and do let me know if you learn something new to do with this. And that's about the fidget spinner. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Lashwadan signing off at TechTamizha. Have a great day.